Oceanit didn't start in some high-rise office. It started where the waves meet the land. Out on the shoreline, where the work was real and the stakes were high. On the north shore of Oahu at Kauwela Bay, sea turtles were turning up with tumors. Nobody had answers. But Oceanit asked, what if we used biology, chemistry, and engineering together? From the very beginning, they took on challenges that others avoided, blending disciplines that rarely spoke to one another. Chemistry, biology, hydraulics, construction, all in one toolbox. Not just to build, but to understand. That mindset took Oceanit into the open ocean. In Mamala Bay, they deployed tools beneath the waves, gathering data, tracking pollution, studying marine flow. And on land, they visualized flood models for the Alawai watershed, turning raw data into action plans before the storms came. This was engineering through empathy, through systems, through seeing the big picture and knowing how to act on it. Erosion and habitat loss weren't just problems to be solved, they were calls to do better. Oceanit turned to biomimicry and artificial intelligence, designing 3D printed reef structures that didn't just protect beaches, they brought marine life back. Nature wasn't the enemy, it was the teacher. From coastal structures to habitat restoration, Oceanit rebuilt ecosystems, not just to survive, but to thrive. Their work didn't stop at the waterline. Oceanit helped protect highways from rising seas and powerful storms, ensuring Hawaii's roads remain open even when the climate changes. And then, they took on one of Hawaii's most important responsibilities, welcoming the world. Hawaii's airports are more than terminals. They're the first impression visitors get. Oceanit stepped in to reimagine that experience, from modern design and efficient flow to embedding the values of aloha into the infrastructure itself. The airports of the future aren't just functional, they're unforgettable. Through biology and chemistry, through data and design, from coral reefs to crowded terminals, Oceanit has never stopped evolving. Not just solving the problems others walk past, but doing it differently, with curiosity, with courage, with a vision that stretches from the shoreline to the sky. This isn't just engineering. It's resilient and sustainable engineering, built for Hawaii, inspired by Hawaii, and shared with the world.